So one of the things that you can do inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom is also go ahead and import out folders directly from File Explorer window. So over here you can see that this is the File Explorer window right here. So now what you can do right here is you can go around onto photo collection and then let's say for example click and drag it inside right here just like this into Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So now you can see that it actually opens up this particular window right here with that particular folder opened. So if you already have a folder opened up in Explorer, you can simply go ahead and then drag that folder in right here just like this. And then you can see that the respective folder opens up right here in Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So once you go ahead and select it, you can go around and then click on import and you can see that this is the photo collection right here which has been imported just like this. And you can see this particular folder right here which has been imported over here. And that is how you can directly import out photos from Explorer window inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.